Oppo A74 5G. After a consistent push to bring the affordable A-series 5G devices back to the Indian smartphone market, Oppo successfully launched another all-new 5G smartphone, the Oppo A74 5G, with a budget-friendly price tag at an online launch event in April 20. Apart from the 5G connectivity, the company promises several other features to make it an ideal device. So let's check all these details in detail to make a final decision. Oppo A74 5G, as the name suggests, contains a 5G chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 480, a large 5000 mAh battery, supports 18W fast charging, and offers an amazing 90Hz refresh rate with an outstanding 8MP AI camera. The fever for 5G has gripped the entire world, and India is no exception. As the first country to launch 5G services, the anticipation levels are high for Oppo A74. So what can you expect from this phone? In this blog post, we'll be discussing all the important specs, features, reviews, and how to buy the phone online. So stay tuned. The Oppo A74 5G smartphone is likely to be priced at 14,990 rupees in India. Oppo A74 5G is rumored to be launched in the country on April 20, 2021 official. As for the color options, the Oppo A74 5G smartphone may be available in fluid black, fantastic purple colors. The Oppo A74 5G is a budget-friendly phone that offers great features for a low price. It has a 6.50-inch HD display, a camera that can shoot high-quality photos and videos, and a battery that lasts for a long time. You can buy the Oppo A74 5G online from various retailers in India, but be sure to read reviews first to make sure you're getting the best deal.